Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. If you're joining us from the previous couple videos, we built an IKEA dresser, we built the drawers, and as mentioned in the previous video, now it's time to show you how to assemble the storage bed. And we are really excited about this because our house needs additional storage. And this is an awesome way to add storage without taking up any space. So in this video, we are going to assemble a queen size storage bed. First thing we're going to start with is the headboard. Let's get started.
Well, first and foremost, we have to get it out of the truck. This will be fun. Room is completely empty. Time to bring all the parts in. I'll just start opening boxes and taking piece by piece in. All three of the main pieces are unboxed. Now let's open the headboard. All the parts are in now. What I'll do first is I'll follow the instructions and put on the actual legs to the headboard. And with that said, let's go ahead and remove the hardware from the bag and verify that we have all the pieces. Hardware and tool are removed. I'll remove this rubber band. This makes it easy because the rubber band had it all organized for me. Next, let's go ahead and reference the photo, grab the correct hardware, and secure the actual legs to the headboard. Grab the larger screws. And the way I have it positioned right now is once we're complete with the headboard, all we'll have to do is shift it up and lean it against the wall. For us, it helps better reference which side is left and which side is right, because that comes into play when you're installing these legs. As you can see here, the R for right, and hopping over to the left side, the L for left. That's important because that will come into play. You'll notice on this side, which is facing out, has no holes and has a fine finish. On the opposite side, you have two additional screw holes, which we'll cover in step 2. Let's secure the right side first. Grab the leg, align it properly, very carefully. You do not want to scratch anything. Once you get the screw holes aligned, go ahead and insert a screw and tighten it down. Leg is properly aligned, screws are secure. Let's hop to the left side. L for left side, align it properly and secure the screws. Left side aligned properly and screws are secure. Assemble the headboard stretcher by using bolts E and washers. And that's that piece down here. Just like that, looking good. Only 2 steps with the headboard, now it's time to move on to the bed frame. Headboard resting up against the wall, and again it's time to work on the actual bed frame. Kind of looks like 3 caskets sitting here. Kind of creepy. Yikes.
That's it. I hope the video helped. Do us a favor, right below this video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because again, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Now it's time to continue on and assemble the actual bed with the storage drawers. You'll see a link scrolling at the top. Click on that and we'll see you at the next video. Thanks.